What's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you a U-part wig and how I blended it so flawlessly, as you can see, with my natural hair. So the U-part wig that I have in is from HerGivenHair. Y'all know I've reviewed HerGivenHair on my channel so many times before. As you can see, the packaging is bomb. It comes in a storage box as well as a manual, an elastic band that you can attach to your wig, as well as some extra wig combs for you to attach to the wig if something were to happen with yours. So as you can see, this is the curl pattern. This is in the Coily 3C to 4A texture. The length is 16 inches and the color is 1B. Now it does say that this is a middle part type of parting area, but to be honest, you can shift it to the side like I did as well. And as you can see, it comes with extra elastic bands, even one that you can kind of take apart like a bra strap and fit it to your liking. I did go ahead and I co-washed the hair. I didn't wash it with any shampoo because to me it didn't have a bad smell. I just wanted to go ahead and clump the curls together. So I used some conditioner. It really doesn't matter what kind of conditioner you use. Just make sure you saturate it in conditioner and then take your Denman brush to actually go in and define the curls. And as you can see, I am working on a old wash and go with my natural hair. So instead of washing my hair, I'm only using a little bit of leave out. So I'm just gonna go in with some water just to loosen up my curls and the product that's on my hair. And I'm just gonna part out in that area a little bit of leave out around the sides and of course down the middle. You don't really need a lot. And then I went ahead and I braided the rest of my hair down. Now, when you attach the U-part wig, I love that it comes with so many different combs that you can literally just stick in your braids, and that's it. And the elastic band makes the wig tighter than what it already is, so you can definitely adjust that as well. You can add more combs to the side if you need it, but to me, it was pretty secure with the combs that were already placed inside of the wig. So I am doing a braid out with this U-part, and the products that I'm going to be using is the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, as well as some Eco Styler Gel in a spray bottle with water in it. Those are the only products that I use with this. To be honest, you don't really need a lot of products because again, it's not your natural hair, so it's not like it's going to soak the products in. It kind of just sits on the hair, so you don't really want to put as much, but it definitely helps with defining the twist out, the wash and go, or a braid. For me, blending in your natural hair, some people may go in and braid out their natural hair by itself, but for me, for a more realistic look, you definitely have to braid your hair down with the weave to camouflage it better and to make it look more natural. So that's what you'll see me doing here. I'm parting the section of a little bit of the U part as well as my natural hair, adding the products on it, and I'm gonna braid it down together. And when I take the braids loose, you're gonna see how it was able to blend in together because it was actually formed together inside of the braid. This is the finished look. This is exactly what I was talking about with it actually blending with my natural hair when you braid your hair with the extensions together. Absolutely love it. Y'all can't tell me that this is a U-part wig, because when I went to work, people thought that this is my natural hair. And I went along with it for the most part. I mean, wouldn't you? Anyway, so I'm going to put all the information down in the description box. Thank you, HerGivenHair, for sending me this unit. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.